Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to provide a comprehensive roadmap for programmers who are eager to master React.js. This roadmap is designed to guide you through the learning process step by step. Step 1. The fundamentals. Every journey begins with a single step. And ours starts with the basics of HTML and CSS and JavaScript. As a programmer, these are the foundational skills you need to start building web applications. HTML is the standard markup language for documents, designed to be displayed in a web browser. CSS is a style sheet language used for describing the look and formatting of a document written in HTML. JavaScript is a high-level interpreted programming language that conforms to the ECMAScript specification. It is a language that is also characterized as dynamic, weakly typed, prototype-based, and multi-paradigm. Next, we'll introduce you to our React fundamentals. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It is maintained by Facebook and a community of individual developers and companies. React can be used as a base in the development of single-page or mobile applications. In React, everything is components. Components let you split the UI into independent, reusable pieces. JX is a syntax extension for JavaScript used with React to describe what the UI should look like. Pop-ups allow you to pass data from parent to child components, and state is a built-in feature that lets components maintain their own data. We then move on to React hooks, a powerful feature in React that allows you to use state and other React features without writing a class. We'll focus on two main hooks: useSet and useEffect. The useState hook lets you add state to your functional components. This state can be anything from a string, number, boolean, objects, array, or any complex data structure. The useEffect hook lets you perform side effects in your components. Side effects could be data fetching, subscriptions, timers, logging, and other effects that don't involve the UI or sending props. We'll also cover routing. Using React Router, this is a standard routing library for React, which allows us to sync the UI with the URL. We'll learn how to create multiple routes and navigate between them using link and navlink. We'll also cover dynamic routing and nested routing. In state management, we look at different ways to manage the state in a React application. We'll cover Redux, a predictable state container for JavaScript apps. Zustand, a small, fast, and scalable bare-bones state management solution. And Context API, which allows you to share state and avoid prop drilling. Finally, we'll know how to make API calls in React. So we'll use REST APIs with libraries like React Query and Access. We'll also explore GraphQL using libraries like Apollo and Relay. And of course, we'll cover how to test your React applications to ensure they work as expected. Step 2, intermediate concepts. In the second stage of our roadmap, we delve into intermediate concepts. We start with styling in React using libraries like Material UI and Tailwind. Material UI provides a set of components that follow Google's material design guidelines, while Tailwind is a utility-first CSS framework that allows you to build custom designs. Next, we introduce you to React with TypeScript. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds static types. It can help catch errors early in the development process. We learn how to set up a React project with TypeScript and how to define component props as TypeScript interfaces. We also cover Next.js, a React framework for building modern web applications. It includes features like server-side rendering and generating static websites. We learn how to create a Next.js app, how to fetch data, and how to deploy our app. Then we dive into React Native, a framework for building native apps using React. We look at tools like Spoke, a platform for making universal native apps, and React Native CLI. The instructions are a bit different depending on your development operating system and whether you want to start developing for iOS or Android. So if you want to develop for both Android and iOS, that's fine. You can pick one to start with since the setup is a bit different. Step 3. Advanced concepts. In the final stage of our roadmap, we explore advanced concepts. We'll dive deeper into hooks and learn about use callback, use ref, use memo, use reducer, and use context. These hooks allow you to write more concise and readable code and give you more control over component logic. We'll also explore rendering in React. We learn about the component lifecycle, lists and keys, render props, refs, events, and higher order components. These concepts will give you a deeper understanding of how React works and how to write efficient, performant code. Stay up to date. The last part of our roadmap is to stay up to date. The world of React is always evolving, so it's important to keep learning and stay updated with the latest trends and updates. That's it for our React.js roadmap. We hope this guide helps you on your journey to becoming a proficient React developer. Thanks for watching and happy coding.